Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you about the iPhone camera settings. So whenever you feel that your camera easily to get full just because of the video that you have been taken with the iPhone camera, it could be the format of the video is quite big. So how to check it and how to reduce it, you just need to open the settings, and right after that you just need to click scrolling down until you found the camera. And whenever you found the camera sections, go click them. So since we want to take a look on the information of the format of our video, so you can just see in the record video here, you can see that my video here is in a 4K at 60 fps, means that the quality of my video that I have been taken with this camera will be saved in a 4K and 60 fps, which is the highest format for the video. So of course the highest format that you have, it's also affecting into the size of the video that you have taken. So if you want to reduce it, you just need to make other options. So there will be several options or several formats that you can get. There will be 720p, 1080p with the different fps. So here, if you want to have like a lower size of the video but then it's still in a good quality, I suggest you to use this 1080p HD at 60 fps. It's quite compatible, so it will have you a smooth video with the HD resolutions. So you will get only like 90 MB for every seconds that you take. So that is the way, guys, how to change or reducing the format of the video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will like to see you for the next video.